Hello, this video is going to be about how you can share your Google Photos with each others, or how you can share the Google Photos or videos through the link or through any other social media app. So for this, you have to open Google Photos in your desktops, and you have to make sure that you have logged into your Gmail accounts. As you can see that I have already logged into my account, so you also have to log into your Gmail accounts. Now, if you want to share your pictures or files or videos with any of the person, first you have to open that pictures in your desktops in Google Photos. So now if you can't find any picture in front of you, you can also do that by searching the picture name. For example, if I search that picture name, that picture will be open in front of me. Now, if you want to delete that picture and you want to share this picture, you have to click on that picture. When this picture is open in front of you, in your right corner you will see different options. The very first option is about share. Click on that option. So when you go to this option, you will see that you can do this by through your Gmail account as well. For example, if I want to share this picture with a specific person, I will do that. And if you want to add some message here, you can also do that by typing any of the message and then send. So that specific picture will be shared with that person. Now, if you want to share your picture through other social media app, or you want to share this picture by creating a link, you can also do that by clicking on create link. When you click on that, you will see that the link has been created. Now you can copy that link and you can paste that link wherever you want. So that's how you can share your pictures or videos or files with your friends or wherever you want. Thank you.